duder.
When Hank gets diarrhea, I get diarrhea. That's why we choose Naltron. Because it's till death do we part, not till diarrhea do we part.
Last night I was at this bar. I was talking to this dude. Like he was cute, but I don't know, he was a little faggy or just whatever, well dressed and like I don't know. I asked him how old he thought that I looked.
Why would you even ask
Can
that?
you please just bear with me, okay? I did it. I asked him how old he thought that I looked, and he said 28.
So? That's like...
Yeah, horrible.
Oh.
It's 4 years older than I actually am. That I was really embarrassed about that.
You're insane.
No, dude, it is bad because that shit is exponential, you know? So like, I don't know, when I'm 30, I'm gonna look like a fat old 50-year-old.
Wow. Are you eating that dog?
Yeah. Are you crazy? Why? Do you want it?
No, you should eat it. I just, if you weren't gonna...
Oh, okay, yeah, I will, because like, I don't know, I bought it, it's mine anyway.
I don't know what you're worried about, you know? Like, when you're 30, you're gonna be a famous artist, you know you are, and, you know, you'll have hordes of men, like, sniffing your crotch,
I'm
whatever
a fat,
you want.
old cow.
Hey, Judy Cakes, how's it going?
Ricky! Oh, wait, dude. Totally objectively, how old would you say that I looked? Like, just be completely honest, because, like, I can take it, whatever it is. Like,
I don't know what you look great.
no, thank you. That's nice, but, like, no, but, that's kind of, sorry, that's totally irrelevant to the question, because, like, the question that I'm trying to ask you is how old would you say, if you just saw me, like, do I look in years?
I don't know, like 24?
No, you're just being nice. You're...
No, I'm not. Oh, so I got your email about your art performance / piece extravaganza. Yeah.
Are you going, or...?
Well, I'm definitely gonna try. Yeah. Cause
you should.
yeah. Are you really doing it topless?
Oh no! Oh fuck! No, there are no like boobs. No. That was just in the.
Okay. Well, yeah. No, I read the subject and I was like, yeah.
Yeah, it's just so people actually read it, because otherwise I don't.
That's fine.
know.
I would have read it anyway.
Oh.
But
Cool. Are you going?
Well, I was really looking forward to seeing at least one exposed female breast.
You don't like breasts. Come on. I can't believe you're gay. I still like I don't know, just like
when I found out, I just cried for days.
I was really sad.
Okay,
I was actually
stop it.
No, dude,
Stop.
because I was really looking forward to you spawning young one day.
Actually, I sort of like breasts.
Yeah.
It was really funny, like when I came out to my dad, he like had all these questions, you know, it was like funny. And at one point he like taps me on the shoulder and was like, so, do you like breasts? Do you like breasts at all? And I'm like, I think about it like really hard, and I'm like, you know, I actually sort of like breasts. And like his face just like lit up. I could tell, like he was vindicated. Like at least his gay son likes breasts, you know?
That's so sweet.
Oh, I have a question for you guys. So I'm walking down the street the other day, and it's raining, and it stops raining, and I put my umbrella away, and I saw this old man that still had his umbrella. Just to let you know, it stopped raining, so.
Could still drip, asshole.
Yeah, so what's your question?
So do you think the asshole was warranted? I mean, I was doing a good thing, I thought.
Well, he's definitely right about those like super drips from awnings. They can destroy you.
Yeah.
I mean, I actually do think it's totally warranted, because like, who goes around telling people to close their umbrellas? That's insane.
It's definitely
That's
strange.
lunacy. Like, who do you think you are? Are you like, I don't know, taking meteorology
No,
class?
it's hard sometimes to tell if it stopped raining, and I just thought I would, like, wow, I guess I'm an asshole.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to go. I have to do my laundry.
No.
Woe is me. But bye, boys.
Bye.
Yeah. It was good to see you, Ricky. It was like actually good to see you. You should come to the performance art thing.
No,
Maybe like if you come, maybe I'll throw in an extra breast or something.
An extra one? Wow. Okay.
Like in Total Recall.
Yeah. Wow. Hey, no, remind me, I gotta do my laundry too. Like,
oh, you do? Do you want to do it together? Because I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't mind?
No, are you kidding? I
No, sure.
love company. See you later. Bye. Wow, I like what you've done with the place.
Yeah, thanks. Sorry, it's a little ridiculous.
No, it has like a
Construction
real
and stuff.
post-war Kosovo feel. I really like it.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Oh, okay. All right, hold on just one second. Let me get my laundry.
But so, what do you do again?
I work in an office.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's pretty horrible.
And so what do you want to be doing?
No idea. Oh, you know, I should probably wash these pants too. Yeah.
I heard you thought you had ball cancer. Is that all cleared up?
Yeah, I think so. So far.
Good, because that'd be a real deal breaker for me, just so you know.
Detergent. 1 second. Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you. Ready to go?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Duder.
When Antoine gets diarrhea, I get diarrhea.
I don't understand these commercials. Like, why when the husband has diarrhea does the wife have diarrhea? Like, is
No.
there, like, sympathy pain?
No, these commercials are brilliant. I always thought it was more like metaphorical, you know? I mean, the husband, he has real diarrhea, but the wife, she has to take care of him. I mean, maybe their plans got screwed up or something. So she also has diarrhea because she's just as affected by it as he is, you know? Aside from the fact that she doesn't actually have gross poo coming out of her butt.
I've actually had this conversation with someone else. What is diarrhea?
Whoa!
No, you know?
Yeah.
Like, is it the poo itself, or is it the act of pooing? Do you know what I'm talking about?
I know exactly what you're talking about. Ricky, where do you weigh in?
I don't know. Glenn, have you heard anything from Judy Cakes recently?
I don't know.
Has she called you on the
I
phone?
might have talked to her or something.
You had? Well, did she say anything about me? Because, like, I thought we had, like, a really good time doing laundry the other day. I thought it was pretty...
You know, sort of, whatever.
What? Wait, no, what?
She might have mentioned something about, like, a sneezing incident. What? Like, you didn't say God bless you or something? Is that true?
Oh, no, wait.
Wait,
No,
that's
I
just I
said
don't
God
know.
bless you. I said it twice.
How many times did she sneeze?
I don't know, like 3 or 4.
So you, like, forgot, like, one?
No, I didn't forget. You stop after 2 God bless you.
Definitely did the right thing.
Yeah, thank you.
Why do you stop after 2 good bless yous? Like, is that, like, a rule or something? Or?
Yeah, because there'd be chaos otherwise, man. I mean, it would be like saying hello to someone every time they enter or re-enter a room. I can't believe you never heard of this. After the 3rd sneeze, the burden goes back to the sneeze-y to, like, you know, get a tissue. Or, you know, take a sinus
I
pill.
don't, how do you
whatever.
know
Get
so
your
much
life
about
together.
this? Are you, like, a...
I wrote a paper on it. Sophomore year, social psych. Who are we talking about, anyway? Judy?
Yeah, Judy Cakes. She, a friend of Glenn's from high school.
Her name's Judy Cakes.
Well, it's, you know, it's Judy Cakes, but everyone's just like, Judy Cakes. It's like a package.
Man, this sucks. I was looking forward to seeing her show tonight. No, I can't.
Oh, yeah, Judy Cakes. Right, yeah, I'm on her email list. I'm going too.
Yeah, there's not gonna be tits.
An analysis of gastric juices in Shakespeare's Henriette? Dude,
Give me that.
A minus.
Give me
What
that.
happened, man?
It's just misunderstood. It's good.
So that piece was called Seizure. I actually had a seizure when I was 5, and it was like just really traumatic, really traumatizing for me. So this next piece is new material, and it's pretty dear to my heart. This piece is called Love. So there's something that I've been like just wanting to tell you for a really, really long time. And I feel like every day that I don't say it, I just kind of die. Achoo! Oh. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, thank you. Anyway, what I was trying to say was that every second that I spend with you is the best second of my life. I feel this. Fuck. Achoo! Bless you. So, what I'm trying to tell you is that
Say it, man. Say it, dude. Say it.
Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, I'm performing at the Galapagos this coming Monday at 11:30.
Oh, hey, wow, how's it going? Hey, thank you. Wow, you've made a lonely sock very happy. Thank you.
All right. Well, I'll see you around.
Hey, I'm really sorry about the other day.
Oh, God.
No, I am.
No,
I'm really,
like-
because I wanted to say something, but then I was like...
No, please don't. It's actually my
I just-
problem because I'm, insane.
No, what?
Yeah.
No, you're not. No. It's fine. No, it's fine.
I'm like,
Oh. Whoa.
Oh,
Wow.
God.
Bless you. That's...
it's obviously your apartment.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
I
God,
shed a
that's
lot.
right. I forgot. I'm allergic to asbestos.
Oh, yeah, wow. Yikes. Wow. You okay?
Well, could I have like a tissue or something? Stop.
No, you look... There's nothing there. You're fine.
Well, I mean, it could still drip, asshole.
Wow. Okay, well then, fine. Yeah, let's go. I'm glad you came today. Because I just made a cake.
You made a cake.
I did.
And the world turning inside out.
Hello? Hey, Dad. How are? No, yeah. No, I still like breasts. No, yeah, Drew Barrymore. She's got great ones. What?
Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me.
I wish I could swallow you whole, God. I wish I could swallow you whole. Take my soul, eat me alive. All I have is this one music song. I'm sorry. Okay.
Keep going.